Good morning, everyone. This is Paul Kim. I am the host for Real Estate Pros Virtual Summit, and I wanted to record this video to prepare you for the networking session that you are about to attend later this afternoon, 4 o'clock Eastern Time. You might be, depending on where you are, what time zone you are. You might be either later or before. So I'm going to share my screen so that way you can. So you, 60 minutes before the session, you should be getting this email. And so when you are, so when you're about to go to the session, you click that button, and they'll take you into a platform called Remo. And let me just go into right now. Um, I'm gonna log in on my site the way it will look, but yours will be a little bit different, but not that much different. So um, you'll be going into this loading space. That's actually the founder. So hopefully, by the time that our session uh, uh, arrives, I will change that picture. But that's not me. That's actually the founder of this platform. And so it says, this is networking. And then, so it says here, drag the map to see the entire event. So you can actually zoom in, zoom out on the map, and you can go back, side, up and down as well. And then you make sure that you have your, as soon as you get on, your screen is going to be automatically broadcasting. So, meaning that if you have the camera on, so make sure you turn on your mic at the bottom, turn it on, and then you turn on your camera, and then you can enlarge it by clicking on here, and that takes you to, and then you can click on the bottom, and that takes you to the map view. Um, and so, and then you can start networking. And so as soon as you land, you will, the camera will be turned off. So for whatever reason, don't be camera shy. So you can turn the camera on. So actually I have my camera, so I don't want it to interfere with the other camera. So I'm going to leave it off. And so during this session, you have the ability to go from table to table. So the first 15 minutes, 10, 15 minutes of it was going to be networking. And so you can go from table to table, introducing yourself with whoever's attending. If you want, what you can do is on the right-hand corner of the browser, you have should be, I'm not sure what it was before, but you can update your profile, and you can include your LinkedIn. You can connect your LinkedIn profile, and you have also the ability to change your picture as well. And then also, if you have a booking link, a Calendly, I use Book Like a Boss. Is another booking appointment platform, and I use that. Um, and then you can just cross that out, and then so once you put your picture, then you'll see your picture there. And so if you want to look at other people's profile, you just click on that person's profile, and you'll be able to see their information um, on this pop-up. All right. And so once I start, and then 15 minutes later after the session, after the networking, we'll start the presentation, and I will present, and then I will uh, make an announcement for 30 seconds to wrap up your conversation, and then we'll start the panel discussion at that point. All right. So I hope the tutorial is helpful, and if you do have any issues logging on or getting access to Remo and having technical difficulties, the best thing to do is to try to ask for support. And if you don't get the support or you're not getting immediate support, shoot us an email at info@realestatelife360.com, and we'll try to get somebody to support you with that. all right? But most of the time, the best thing to do is to either close the browser and try either Chrome or Safari, or if you're on Mac, and you can also use the internet browser, so try another browser. If Chrome is the #1 preferred, and then Safari, and then I guess whatever the PC comes with. And if that doesn't work, you may want to restart your computer, reboot your, or restart or reboot your computer, and that may help. All right. I hope this was helpful, and I look forward to seeing you later at the panel discussion, as well as the current sessions that are running right now. All right. See you then. Bye.